Hey gang, Poppy here. Anybody can be a star on YouTube. There's 10 of them there. I haven't lost one of them. Don't be a stranger, man. No, seriously. You start posting, and for some reason you don't have anything you think you want to post. You know, not good enough. You're not doing anything. Don't drop off the radar, baby. I mean, your subscribers, they want to know. Or they shouldn't be your subscribers. Your friends on the tube, the other creators that you've been communicating with and collaborating and in the contest, blah, 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 blah. Don't lose contact even if you ain't doing diddly. You know. At least let the other tubers know you're still alive. Well, man, you know, broke both legs and one arm and got blind in one eye and all that. That's okay, but my welfare check didn't arrive, so I can't get down to the hardware store and pick up some parts. Well, let your fans know. And your friends too. And cherish your friends. Because your tuber friends, oh, they're precious.